Imagine being in Africa in the comfort of your home, working with global clients and earning in dollars. It's possible, and I'll show you how. I'm Austin, and as a founder of Career Clinics Limited, I've hired and worked with several virtual assistants over the years. Some incredible, some I had to let go. I know exactly what global clients are looking for. I'll be breaking down how you can become a virtual assistant, land your first client, and most importantly, show you how to avoid the mistakes that get most VAs fired. Let's get into it. So, what does a virtual assistant actually do? A VA is not just someone who answers emails. VAs help business owners with tasks like managing emails and calendars, scheduling appointments and meetings, social media management, data entry and organization, customer support, basic research, travel bookings and plannings, then administrative tasks. Basically, you handle the stuff that takes up time but doesn't require the business owner's direct attention. Now, let me show you how to actually get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Don't try to be a general VA offering everything. Pick 2 to 3 services you're good at. Example, email management and calendar scheduling, social media management and content creation, customer support and data entry. Specializing makes you more valuable and easier to hire. Then learn the tools. Global clients expect you to know basic tools. Learn how to use Google Workspace, Slack or Microsoft Teams, Trello, Asana or Notion, Canva for basic graphic design, Zoom for video calls. You don't need to be an expert. Just be comfortable using them. Step 3. Build proof. Even with zero experience, offer to work for free for 1 or 2 businesses or content creators for 2 weeks in exchange for a testimonial. This gives you real experience, a portfolio, social proof. After that, you can now set your rates. As a beginner African VA, you can charge $5 to $10 per hour starting out, $15 to $25 per hour once you have experience and testimonials, and then $500 to $1,500 every month for retainership clients, working 10 to 20 hours per week. Don't undersell yourself, but also don't price yourself out when you're building experience. Find clients. Here's where to look. Upwork and Fiverr. Create a strong profile, then apply consistently. Search on LinkedIn. Reach out to coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs directly. Facebook groups for entrepreneurs and VAs. Then do direct outreach. Direct outreach is normally the most effective if you're a beginner. Find business owners on Instagram or LinkedIn and send them a short pitch. For instance, "Hi Christopher, I noticed you're running a coaching business. I'm a virtual assistant specializing in content creation and social media management. I would love to save you 10 hours a week. Can we chat?" Apply to 5 to 10 opportunities every day. Consistency is key. Now, here is what most people get wrong when they are starting out. I've hired VAs from Nigeria, Kenya, and Ghana. Some were fantastic. Others, I had to let them go within weeks. Here is why. Poor communication. If a client sends you a message and you take 24 hours to respond, or worse, you don't respond at all, you're done. Global clients need fast, clear communication. If you can't do that, they will find someone else who can. Mistake number 2, no initiative. The VAs I kept long term were the ones who didn't just wait for instructions. They saw problems and solve them, the anticipated needs. If you're only doing exactly what you're told and nothing more, you are replaceable. Unreliable internet or constant excuses. Look, I get it. Power and internet issues are real in many parts of Africa. But if you're constantly unavailable or missing deadlines because of it, clients will move on. That's just it. You need backup plans, a power bank, mobile hotspot, or a nearby cafe with Wi-Fi. Not delivering on time. This one is non-negotiable. If you say you will deliver something by 4 p.m., please deliver it by 4 p.m., not 4:30, not the next day. Your reliability is your reputation. Don't overthink it. Start today. Pick your niche. Learn the tools. Build proof. Start applying. Within 30 to 60 days, you can have your first paying client if you stay consistent. Now, I would like you to do something for me. Like this video. Subscribe so you don't miss more strategies to build a remote career and earn in dollars from Africa. And if you know someone who needs this information, share this video with them. You might change their life. I made this video to show you 7 hidden websites where you can go look for VA jobs with less competition. Go watch it now.